We're gonna do some listening games. I want you to give me the vowel sound. The what?
The vowel sound.
And our vowels are A, E, I, O, U.
Listening games aren't just a fun way to get students engaged at the start of a lesson. They also strengthen the skills that make reading and spelling possible, hearing and identifying the different sounds in a word, or phonemic awareness.
All right, your first word is duck. Let's step it. D. What's our vowel sound? All right, your next word is pack.
Kindergarten teacher Ashton Smith designed her listening game to put the spotlight on short vowel sounds. That's because today's lesson introduces the CK rule, a spelling pattern that only follows short vowels, like in duck and pack.
What's our vowel sound? What vowel says ah? Give me clock. What's our vowel sound? Ah. Yeah. Which vowel says ah? Oh. Your next word is sick. Ick. What's our vowel sound? I. What vowel says I? Very good.
Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Hastings Quillen Fund, an advised fund of the Silicon Valley Community Foundation, the AFT, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and anonymous donors. Special thanks to Hope Hill Elementary, Reading is Essential for All People, and Atlanta Public Schools. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at RU Teaching. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
My name is Ashton Smith, and this is Reading Universe.